Wait up!
As you can see.
What?
See this drainage pipe right here?
Yeah?
It leads nowhere. It comes out and it's clogged up. Oh, look at that! Zoom in on this! That is what you saw. Rabbit faces. They look like little nutsacks I was looking for. Actually, they look like Cocoa Puffs. That is very rare.
No, it's not.
My finger looks like a worm. Alright. Let's see. Very rare pile of leaves. Like, already piles for you.
We bagged these like...
No, you don't bag those.
Okay.
And this is a hibernating monster. It's called the Dutchman. And it is very, very big. Oh my goodness! There's a tiger! Run with the tiger! Bye! Oh, what's it do? Oh, wait a minute! Very rare. Come on.
I'm coming!
It vanishes so quickly. You can't even say it. It's like, okay, hold on, let's go.
Okay. There it is! What?
Okay. Alright, see this tree?
Tree, yeah.
It is very, very old.
It is?
Yeah, you wanna know how you can tell?
Huh?
I have nipples, abs. Yeah, count them times by 100. Uno, dos, Spanish number 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 1,400 years old. This tree is old. Yeah. This is a Diglett. The Pokemon. It's green. And it's frozen. No, it's being protected by this capsule of some sort. And if you pry it off. No. Oh my god! What? Poor Diglett. Let's pull all these plugs out. Power across the whole entire street. So that was what a Diglett looks like on the inside. And I wish you all knew that to start off with. Continue.
Alright.
It's hunting ground. It's hunting ground. We have a stump. Alright. This. Stick's going to fit out of the ground. This is the most diseased, most sickening stuff you've ever seen. If you were to touch this, you would die.